Air 5 Juliet Kilo, descend and maintain 2,000.
2,000, 5 Juliet Kilo.
Southwest 2222, contact Raleigh Tower 127.45, good day.
2745, good day, Southwest 2222.
Air 5 Juliet Kilo, amend altitude, descend and maintain 2,200.
2,200, 5 Juliet Kilo. I should slow down to...
Yep, start slowing down. You're within 3 minutes of the final approach fix, that's when I start slowing her down. You know 15% is a good power setting, right?
Even if I want to get belief.
Yeah, if you want to just chop it, that's fine, to slow down.
I was just going to chop it, get the flaps in.
That works.
And I can put the flaps in, and then I can add the power back to 25%, and it'll keep going down.
Air 5 Juliet Kilo, turn right heading 210.
Right, 210, 5 Juliet Kilo.
Air 850 Whiskey Echo, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 0 Whiskey Echo.
Hey, Raleigh, flight us 119 uniform tangos out of 8,000 for 7,000, and we have Whiskey.
Air 119 uniform tango, Raleigh approach, plan runway 5 right, the Raleigh altimeter 3022.
3022 will plan 5 right, 119 uniform tango.
15%.
Perfect.
Okay, the speed should trend down. Maybe I need to shallow out my rate of descent a bit. We don't need quite that much. So we're slowing down. $1,100 to go. Expecting 2 left turns.
Air 5 Juliet Kilo, turn left heading 140.
Left 140, 5 Juliet.
Air 0 Whiskey Echo, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, 0 Whiskey Echo.
Raleigh, 119 uniform tango, any chance direct to Permi for 5 right?
Air 9 uniform tango, proceed direct Permi.
Hey, direct Permi, 119 uniform tango, thank
1 and 2 dots.
Yep.
So wait till
What power setting do you use? 28, right? But yes, you wait until you're half scale.
I was just trying to slow down.
November 5 Juliet Tango, 4 miles from Permi, turn left heading 080, maintain 2,200, till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach.
080.
080, cleared 2,200 till established, clear the ILS 5 right, 5 Juliet.
Air 0 Whiskey Echo, descend and maintain 2,000.
2,000, 0 Whiskey Echo.
Air 9 uniform tango, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, 119 uniform tango.
That should capture.
There you go.
Air 5 Juliet Kilo, contact Raleigh Tower 127.45, good day.
127.45, 5 Juliet Kilo, good day. Raleigh Tower, good afternoon, Vision Jet 895 Juliet Kilo, established ILS 5 right.
All right, 895 Juliet Kilo, Raleigh Tower, wind calm, runway 5 right, clear to land.
5 right, clear to land, 5 Juliet Kilo.
Olivia 608, contact departure, good day.
Departure, Olivia 608, have a good one.
Air Shuttle 6065, runway 5 left, turn left heading 035, cleared for takeoff.
Left turn, heading 035, 5 left, clear for takeoff, Air Shuttle 6065.
Cabin pressure differential is 0.8, IPS is off, autopilot will be off, VREF to VREF plus 10, which is going to be 85 to 95, brake pressure check your side, flaps 100, airspeed will land at VREF, and we'll check the brakes after landing. Speed.
Airspeed.
Course. Glide. 1,780. 620. 1 more final. Adjusting the power. Speed, on course, on glide. I have bugged the mist.
Yeah, 1,000 feet. Right.
Speed, On course, on glide, 1500 for 620. 3 mile final. Adjusting the power back up.
Good.
On speed, on course, on glide, 1320, 20. 2.5 mile final. Speed, on
Airfield
course,
6065, contact departure, good day.
Good day, show
1220,
6065.
620. 2 mile final.
Raleigh Tower, TBM 850 Whiskey Echo, visual 5 right.
TBM 850 Whiskey Echo, Raleigh Tower, my 5 right, clear to land, wind, calm.
Course,
850 Whiskey Echo, clear to land, 5 right.
1060 for 20. 1.5 mile final. On speed, on course, on glide,
500.
620, no caps.
Airspeed.
Just pitching up and down, so I'm having to adjust power. On speed, on course, on glide, 820 for 620. 1 mile final. On speed, on course, on glide, 720 for 620, approaching minimums, bricking up, field in sight. Land the plane.
Minimums.
Runway's made. Landing is assured. We're not going to make Alpha 3.
So yeah, let it roll a little bit. Tight.
Number 5 Julie Kilo, left turn Alpha 4, ground point 9er.
Left Alpha 4, ground point 905, Juliet Kilo. What were you checking?
Nothing. Just, I always pull up the fuel page. Yeah, there's a guy on a 2 mile final, so this not be too
American 1131, runway 5, left turn, left heading 035, cleared for takeoff.
Left turn 035, clear for takeoff, 5 left, American 1131.
Tried to get a nice high pit. That one, there was a lot of vertical movement on final, a lot of wind shear. That was the right way of doing it though.
It was good, yep.
Right, let's clear up the plane.